Hello people, this is Self-Tuts and we are continuing our series on Docker for beginners, and in this video we'll learn how to create our first Docker container. So in the previous video we have understood the concept of Docker container, that what is Docker container, how it is a instance of a Docker image, and in this video let's learn how to create the Docker container. So we'll be using the Hello World image from Docker Hub. So we already know that whenever we learn new programming language or anything, we create the Hello World first program. So here we'll be creating the Hello World container by downloading the Hello World image from the Docker Hub. So we use the command docker run and then the image name for which we want to create the container. As the command suggests run, so it runs the image and creates a container out of it. So what happens behind the scene when we run this command? So let's say we run docker run hello world. So what happens is the Docker daemon or the Docker host basically checks that whether this image is available locally or not. If the image is not available, so it is going to download the image from the Docker Hub. If it is available on your local, then it is going to create the container. So all the heavy lifting and other things are being done by the Docker daemon, or you can say the Docker host or the Docker server you have installed on your local machine. So everything happens behind the scene. You just need to use the command docker run and the image name. Let's go to our terminal and see that how we can create Docker container. So if we see Docker images, so here it is already present. The Hello World image is already present. Let's go to the browser and see Docker Hub and let's see what that image will do. So we are going to hub.docker.com, we'll click on explore and finally let's search for Hello World. So if you see, the Hello World image is here and it is a Docker official image. So generally all the newbie that comes to learn the Docker, they mostly download this image and basically start Docker tinkering with this only. So you can see we have 1 billion download and we have 2k stars. So if you run this command docker run hello world, so you will see that this message will be printed. And if we see here Docker images, so you can see that hello world is present here, same way as ours. So you can see hello world is already present here. And this will be the thing that will be printed. So it will create a container and we'll see. So let's run docker run hello world and let's see what happens. So what it will do, it will basically print this statement and it will stop the container. The docker run hello world does that, it creates the container and then kills it. So we'll understand the whole life cycle of the container in later videos. But if you see docker run hello world is here. So let's do docker ps and you can see that no container is running. Let's do ps-a. These commands we'll learn in later videos, but if you can see, this has given a unique container ID and then the image name from which this container was created. It was created 24 seconds ago. It ran for 2 seconds, so that's why it is saying exited at 22 seconds ago. And there is a default name, like if you don't provide a name during the run command, any name provided based on the Docker daemon, so it will automatically provide the name. No ports have been so we'll learn all these things like port, then image, then container ID, everything in the later videos. The most important thing here is whenever we create a container out of this image, a unique ID is given. If we create more containers, then another unique ID will be given. So from one Docker image, we can create multiple containers. So later in the videos, we will actually see, we'll actually run the MySQL image and we'll create a MySQL container. We will create that DB, we will insert some data inside the DB and see that okay, it is running, the port is exposed and everything. But for this video, we just want to understand that from one Docker image, we can create multiple containers. And this is the command to basically create the container, that is docker run hello world. So hope you like this video, hope you like my channel. Please share these videos with other people and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.